Well, I couldn't shut my generator off this morning. The knob, which is over here somewhere, right here, wouldn't turn to shut it off. So, of course, I had to pull it apart piece by piece to get to the knob area here. And it looks like there's a screw right here. And it looks like there's a screw right on the end of that. And I don't see it. So I guess the screw might be down in here somewhere. I'm going to have to look around and see. So hopefully I can get this back together because it runs great. I have no problems with it. Except maybe the dog here. Look at that dog here. That's terrible. Terrible, terrible. I do have a German Shedder, so anyway, I'll be back and let you know what happens. Alright, well, I've heard it. I've tilted this thing back and forth and heard it. I just can't seem to get it. I've got my magnetic probe here. I think I'm going to have to take this side off too, and maybe I can get to it down there, but I haven't seen it. I've just heard it. So, I don't know. I'm going to keep working on it and see what happens. I'll be back. Okay, found the problem. And it's right there. That little screw came out of, let's see, the bracket right there. Fell down on the bottom. Took me half an hour to get it out of there. I had to take out this heat sink and some other stuff. But now I got to put it all back together. Even took off this side to try and get that screw. If worse came to worse, I would have gone into town and got one. But so anyway, it's ready to go back together. And I'm going to put a little bit of blue Loctite on it. Whoops, wrong side. Yeah, that's a good side. I don't understand why they put blue Loctite in a red bottle. Makes no sense to me. Anyway, I'll get this back together and get it running and be back in business. All right, I'll get you a picture when it's done. Putting it all back together. You see I'm getting this side plate on. Just got the screws to put back in. Screws on the pull. And it's all back together. And now the knob works. Down to start. Run and off. Yay. Hopefully this will help somebody else if they have that problem. This is a Predator 2000 inverter.